Have you ever noticed that two families paying the same premium can end up getting completely different levels of protection? And that's because health insurance today is not just about buying a base policy, it's about how wisely you customize it to your family's real needs. And after all, every family is different. Some worry about rising cases of cancer, other about sudden accidents, some focus on maternity, while many are concerned about how fast hospital bills keep climbing. And that's why I am here. Hi, I am Mariam and I represent PolicyHub, a place where we make health insurance simple, clear and practical. Exactly why I wanted to make this video, because when it comes to HDFC ERGO Health Insurance, the real strength is not just in its base plan, it's in the option riders. These riders are what turn a standard policy into something that actually fits your life. So instead of just listening features, I'll walk you through them with the real life examples so you can picture how they work in every situation. Let's start with the first one is My Health Critical Illness. This rider provides a lump sum payout if you are diagnosed with any of 51 major illnesses like cancer, stroke or a heart attack. Think about it. If someone is diagnosed with cancer, they don't just get hospital bill covered. They receive an immediate payout they can use for treatment, income replacement or anything else they need. Another rider is Hospital Cash Benefit. This one gives you a fixed daily amount during hospitalization. For example, if someone is hospitalized for dengue or needs 7 days of rest without being able to work, and this rider ensures the family still has money coming in. In this, you will get the cash benefit on daily basis. Another rider is Aggregate Deductible. Now think of this as handling the small bills yourself, so the insurance company step in only for the bigger one. By doing this, your premium becomes much more affordable. It's especially useful if you already have a corporate cover and want to use Optima Secure your base plan, then you can opt this. You can choose a deductible amount anywhere from 25,000 to 5 lakh and your premium reduces based on the option you have opt. And on a similar note, the co-payment rider allowed you to share a small percentage of the bill, and it says 10 or 20% while the insurer pay the rest. And the benefit here is that your premium become lighter right from day one. Now, one of the most popular option is the Unlimited Restoration Benefit. This allows you to reuse your sum insured multiple times in a year. For example, a person may need an appendix surgery and later in the year, your another family member might require a knee operation or anything surgery want to do. Normally, you had run out of cover after the first big claim, but with this rider, your coverage keeps coming back again and again. Another rider is Individual Personal Accident Cover. It is also worth nothing. In case of accidental death or disability, it provides a lump sum payout to your family, ensuring financial security during unexpected tragedy. And for those who believe in preventing rather than cure, then Optima Wellbeing add-on covers OPD, consultation, yoga classes, fitness program, diagnosis and much more, like you can see it on screen. And it all on a cashless basis. Perfect for families who want to stay healthy while managing daily medical expenses without the hassle of reimbursement. Now, the exciting part is that HDFC ERGO recently introduced 3 new riders that finally fixed some long-standing complaints people had about HDFC ERGO's health insurance plans. For example, maternity coverage was missing earlier. Imagine a young couple who had been paying premium for years only to find maternity was not covered when they needed most, and that's now solved with the Parenthood rider, which not only covers maternity but even IVF treatment, giving couples financial support during one of life's most important stages. And another common frustration was the long waiting period for pre-existing disease like asthma, diabetes or high blood pressure. Earlier, you had to wait 2 and 3 years before using your policy for them, but now with the ABCD chronic care rider, that waiting period is reduced to just 30 days. So if someone recently diagnosed with a high BP needs treatment, he does not have to wait years. He is covered within a month. And finally, the Limitless rider. This is designed for families who fear their sum insured running out after just one major hospitalization. Imagine someone needed a bypass surgery in May and then a few months later, another member being diagnosed with cancer. Normally, the cover would be exhausted after the first claim. But with this rider, your coverage restores unlimited time in a year, giving your family almost infinite protection. So, these were the highlights of the most powerful riders you can add to the HDFC ERGO Health Insurance plan. Each of them can completely change how your health insurance works. But here's the thing, not everyone needs every rider, and the right mix depends on your stage of life, your health conditions, and your budget. If you'd like me to create a detailed breakdown of these riders with actual premium examples and clear guidance on who should take what, let me know in the comments. If enough of you ask, I'll make a dedicated video just for that. And if you're planning to buy HDFC ERGO, port your existing plan, or simply figure out which rider actually makes sense for you and for your family, you can also book your free consultation with us, link given in the description. And if you want to explore more about HDFC ERGO Health Insurance plans, its unique features, complete health insurance review, and even customer claim stories, check out the videos on the end screen of this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakdown. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.